Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Go on Food Court. Today I am going to prepare marinade chicken masala and also going to fry chicken with the same masala by adding 3 more ingredients. You can refrigerate this masala for almost 15 to 20 days and use the marinade masala to prepare restaurant style chicken at home. So without wasting much time, let's go to the kitchen and start preparing. For the marinade chicken masala, I have taken 15 dried Kashmiri chilies, 14 garlic cloves, 6-inch ginger, 12 curry leaves, 20 peppercorns, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Next, all these ingredients goes straight into the mixie. If required, add very little water while grinding. Make fine smooth paste. Our masala is ready. I have added very little water while grinding. You can store this masala in glass jar container in the refrigerator for almost 15 to 20 days. Now let's marinate the chicken. Other 3 ingredients required to marinate the chicken are 2 tablespoon curd, 1 lemon juice, salt as per the requirement and oil for frying. I have taken 3 pieces of boneless chicken. I have already washed the chicken. Let's give some gashes to the chicken. Now this gashes will help masala to stay in the chicken and your chicken will be well marinated. So if your chicken is well marinated, then you can really expect nice yummy chicken. Next, add 1.5 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon curd, 1 lemon juice and 3 tablespoon ground marinade masala. Apply the masala well into the gashes of the chicken. So let's keep the chicken to marinate for at least 2 hours. After 2 hours, let's start frying. Heat the pan. Once the pan is heated, add oil. So now oil is also ready. Let's fry. Let it cook on medium to lower flame. After 3 minutes, now I'm going to flip the chicken. So let it cook on the other side also. Chicken is done on the other side also. Put off the flame. Now let's do the plating. Well, if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned out for you. Till then, be active, stay healthy.